Hey guys, so today I want to review the curl formers for you guys. They look like these. I'm sure you've seen them all over social media. I've seen a lot of people use these and I'm surprised I haven't used them yet, but you know, they've been sitting in my closet for probably 4 or 5 months and I just haven't gotten around to it. So I want to test them out today and see how they work. I did do a video, but then the video was blurry, so I didn't get a chance to post it because it looked like shit. So I've already tried these. I know how they work, but now I'm going to show them for you guys. So let's get into it. Okay, so curl formers. You can buy them online at Sally Beauty, at Amazon. I believe they are like $65, so they are pretty pricey. So I would definitely wait, like if you buy at Sally Beauty, to get a coupon like a 20% off or 15% off, because $65 for heatless curlers is a lot. But I will say you get quite a few in here. You get 40 extra long and wide curl formers. So you have the orange and you have the pink. So the orange goes one way, the pink goes the other. So before we begin, I'm just going to take some detangling spray by Amika, and I'm just going to put this through my hair just to kind of make it a little bit damp, if you will. Just because my hair is, I got out of the shower, I dried it. I just want to give it a little bit of moisture. Alright, that's good enough. So when you open up your curl formers, in there are 2 little hook things. So what you have to do is you have to take the base of the hook with the actual hook and then just boop, put it together. So then it becomes one giant hook. Next, you want to take your curl former. There's an opening on both ends. Doesn't matter which side you take, but you just want to put your curler, or put your hook through the curler. Like so. Okay, so next you want to take a small section. Don't make it very big, otherwise it'll get stuck in this and it hurts like a bitch. So what you want to do is you just want to twist the hair, give it a nice little twist. Then you take the hook and then you want to latch it onto the hair. So like that. And then what I like to do is I just kind of like to bring it up. I feel like it makes it easier, makes the curl not fall off the hook. And then you can't see, but I'm going to squeeze right here and then pull the handle off of the curl former. So then it pulls my hair through and boom! There it is. There's our first one. Honestly, you should probably section off your hair before you do this, but it's fine. I'm not gonna do that. Whoa! Alright, so again, take your hook, take your curl former and just put it through. Then we're going to twist a section and then take our hook and then put it on. Then I like to kind of pull it up, hold on to the base, and then pull the hook. Boom! So when I first tried this, I was like, what the hell? Like, I could not get the hang of it. It seriously took me so many tries to figure it out. But once I figured it out, it's super easy. Honestly, I could probably get this done in like 10 minutes if I wasn't filming. But I am, so it might take longer. Again, just put it on there. And then, so I'm going to put an orange one back here. So just twist. Hook it. I like to place my hook up so the hair doesn't fall off the hook. Squeeze the base, pull the bottom of the hook. Boom. And that's how you do it. And they do kind of like, you have to re-curl them, which is really annoying. It doesn't do it on every one, but on some of them it does do it. And it takes a minute to get it back to how it should look, but you just gotta play around with it. That's it. So I'm just gonna keep on doing this and feel free to watch.
Of my CEO, ooh, the master of my CEO, ooh.
So I learned from last time to take smaller sections because I do have thinner hair. If you have thicker hair, then you'd probably want to take a little bit larger sections. Otherwise, 40 would not be enough for your thick hair. So I used all except for these. So there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 left. So I have 32 in my head. And as you saw prior, I don't have a ton of hair. So hopefully that gives you an idea of how many to use for you. But anyways, I'm just going to let these sit for a couple hours. I'm not going to sleep in them. You could probably sleep in them. I feel like it would be kind of uncomfortable, but I'm sure people do sleep in them. What I've learned with heatless curlers in the past is that if you just leave them on for a couple hours, your hair will be curly. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave them on, and then I will report back to you guys. 9:31. You see it? So yeah, I'll probably let these sit till like 11:30, maybe 12. That's pushing my bedtime, so we'll see. And yeah, I'll come back and we will see the final results. I'm back and the time is 11:13. So we're just going to take them out and see what they look like. They should have some type of curl to them. If not, then lesson learned. But yeah, so to take them out, you literally just pull on them and they come out. Okay, so these are looking pretty good so far. Okay, so here is this side. Doesn't look that bad. I'm not mad about it. Okay, here's the last one. Not bad. I mean, it definitely curled all of my hair. Look how short it is. So I'm just going to like take some of the pieces and kind of wrap them around my finger like so. Say it definitely looks different on shorter hair than it does on longer hair. The tutorials I've seen with CURLFORMERS, it's usually done on long hair and it has like the really pretty spirals, but on shorter hair it doesn't really do that. I mean, there were some spirally curls, but I don't know, it's just different. Okay, well, here's the girl that they used for their advertisement, and these are what her curls look like. So her curls look different than my curls. But again, she has a lot longer hair than mine, so I expect that. But do you like these curls? I like them. It looks honestly like curls that I would get with a flat iron or a curling iron. So I like them. I think if I left them in any longer, it would be too curly. Because then, like, I feel like I wouldn't even be able to brush it out and it'd be like up to here. So I don't want that kind of look. But yeah, pretty pleased. to be honest. I will definitely use these again. I was pretty pleased with it. I mean, $65, I would say that's definitely a con, the price. Unless you can get like a 20% off coupon, then that can kind of justify the price, because you do get 40 of them, and they do last a long time. So that's good. They're pretty easy to put in. When I first used the curl formers, I could not figure it out. I had to watch so many YouTube videos, so hopefully my YouTube video will help you guys if you've never used them before, because it is a little tricky at first, but once you get the hang of it, it's super easy. So I would say that's definitely a pro, is that it is easy to do and it can be pretty quick. If you have really thick hair, I don't know how these would work for you. There are 40 of them, so that's good, but you do have to take little pieces, otherwise it'll get stuck in the curl former and then it hurts like a biatch. So yeah, if you have thick hair and you've used these, I would love to hear from you, so let me know in the comments below. But for the most part, I really enjoy these and I will definitely keep using them, so thumbs up, yay! Anyways, I hope you guys like this review and tutorial. If you do, let me know. Please subscribe and I will see you in my next video. Bye!